It's been a lot to get here, and like every day getting closer, I was getting more excited and more scared and more of everything. So now to be here, it's just about staying in the moment and enjoying it for everything that it is, and just savoring these last moments of this Star Wars experience. Yeah, I feel like it's one of those things that once you're in it, you never leave it. So it's good to know that I've got this first amazing community of people who, you know, in front of the camera and behind the camera really built up a good relationship, and I feel very secure knowing that my future has started with this. I know, it's crazy. No, because I think there's characters for everyone over time. It's just like grown and grown and grown in terms of the diversity of the cast and different stories and different canon, and people can add on what they like, and yeah, it's just like become such a universe, a galaxy in itself, and you know, it's something that's never really going to go away. And so I think people feel invested and secure in the Star Wars family.